INTC stock analysis and INTC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to do in trade, and I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 41,000 videos of seeing what's making me money and what's not. Having done actually this and actually documenting everything, this is how my chart is looking like, by the way. Such a bearish market, and like needless to say, man, like this is, yeah, still a bearish market to me. You know, sort of pumped up, but I don't think there's enough power of it in order for me to just keep it up. If there's a double break, I'm still open-minded for sell sides. But notice how I'm not going to assume that it will go down. Only thing that I'm going to take down is this if there is a double break. And if not, I guess it is what it is. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And if you also want to stay tuned with INTC, that's the fastest way to stay tuned, at least from my end. And you can see I have 9 results in the analysis section in the Discord regarding INTC. So if you want free insights and emails, first link in the description, free.